Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Day 7, 12 days of foundation hunt. Today's should be interesting because I think I actually included a foundation that might be discontinued. So if you guys want to see that, then let's go. So this is the Black Radiance Color Perfect HD Mousse Foundation. I don't know how much this retails for, like, actually, because like I said, I think it's discontinued. When you go on Black Radiance's website, I think it just says out of stock, like no prices on there, at least on mobile. And then you go look online, like I saw one Walmart seller selling it for $20. I know I didn't spend $20 on this. Another Walmart seller for $14, another one for $12. I think Target might have said $9.99. I think I bought this on Amazon for $9, $10. I honestly don't know. If I can find the link of where I bought this from, I will put it in the description down below. But let's just assume it's somewhere around, you know, $9, $10, because $20. I don't think I've ever seen anything $20 from Black Radiance. And I don't know how many shades it comes in, because again, it's just like this walnut shade might be $20 here, but this almond shade might be $14 here. I picked it up in the shade Toffee, and seeing it in person, I mean, okay, well, we're gonna see how this looks. But what do they say about this? The description I was able to find: Black Radiance Color Perfect HD Mousse Foundation is a high pigment, medium to full coverage foundation made to reveal skin's ideal complexion. The rich, long-wearing foundation transformed from a creamy mousse into a feather-like powder. Okay, for a flawless, lasting finish, available in 6 luscious shades for a wide range of skin tones and undertones. Get picture perfect with Color Perfect HD Mousse Foundation from Black Radiance. This luxurious creamy mousse foundation is like second skin, specially formulated with melanin in mind to enhance your shade of beauty like no other. Okay, that was a description. We're gonna see how. Maybe not. We're gonna. So this is what the actual texture is. Probably it's not. Is it gonna focus? Probably not. And I can't see if it's focusing. And then this is what it looks like on my face. But again, you won't know until you start blending it out. So let me see. Okay, let me start blending it out. Did I mention it smells like paint? Because it smells like paint. So this is just the foundation on my face. Now I need some concealer. Oh, someone asked the other day. This is the Luminous Silk Concealer from Armani Beauty in the shade 11.75. Actually, what I need to do is tweeze my eyebrows. They've gotten pretty bad. The thing is, like, they don't grow the same after you get microblading, at least in my opinion. I don't know, because y'all know it's like little cuts in your skin. I don't know if that somehow affects the growth of your brow hair, but it doesn't grow the same. It's kind of like laser hair removal, where it grows like less and less every time you do them, and it feels like at some point, like, you just wake up and, okay, I thought I heard something, but yeah, it's like you wake up one day and it's just like hair there, and you're like, where did that come from? So that's why I get behind on doing it, but at least it doesn't grow back as much anymore, and at least I don't have to do like waxing or anything like that. It can just the hair that does grow back can just be like tweezed out, so I really have no excuses. I actually have high hopes for this because it said cream to powder foundation, which I did not realize. If y'all haven't caught on yet, I don't even read the descriptions when picking out these foundations. I'm just like, oh, that's one I haven't done yet. Let's see how that goes, and y'all get the real, like, full impression from reading the description, seeing what it says, all of that stuff. Is that probably a good way to shop? Probably not, if, you know, you're not sitting down to film reviews for other people to watch and you're just buying it so you can use it yourself. Read the descriptions, don't waste your money, make sure you know what you're buying, all of that, okay? Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, then, so this will be my face for the day. We've had a theme of light beats for this 12 days. It is 11:43. I'm gonna go check in, see y'all back later tonight, let you know if I like this foundation. But first, you know what time it is? It's time for a giveaway. And today's question, I already have it in my mind, is if you like sports, what is your favorite sports team? If you don't like sports, name an actual sports team that you can name. Can be any sport, played anywhere in the world, just name it down below. Or if you don't know that either, then just tell me I don't know any of that and I don't watch sports down below with your Instagram handle, Twitter name, email, something like that, so I can contact you at, and you know, be subscribed and thumbs up this video. Look, I'm a little late, okay? It's already 4:13, but it's okay because my face is giving in this check-in, okay? I'm looking a little dewy, you know. We're starting to get oily in the T-zone area, but she's still looking put together like I might have left 5 minutes ago and not 5 hours ago. I don't remember how long it's been, but okay. Okay, ooh. Okay, black radiance. Imagine this really is like discontinued. So I am back. It is 6:33. This is my face is looking like. Now I had high hopes for this, but I'm high-key not surprised that this is what my face is looking like right now. Once I see mousse, like alarms start going off in my head. Now, I don't know how this is gonna go, but I had hopes because it said, you know, mousse cream to powder finish, and you guys know we had something like that earlier in 12 days, and I've tried other stuff like cream to powder where it's like, okay, like as long as you've got that powder-ish finish, I should be good for someone who has oily skin, right? But like here we are now seeing what it looks like. Not surprised that this is what it looks like, but it's not horrible, you know. This could still kind of okay, no. I was gonna say this could still kind of be giving, you know, glow from within, but no, it's glow from the gym. But you know, glow from the gym, I just did 20 squats and I'm feeling good. Not, you know, I did like a whole HIIT workout. I'm trying to rationalize it in my head, okay? But yeah, at this point, I feel like it is what it is. You're either gonna have oil control or you're not going to, especially for foundations that don't claim to do that. I'm like, you know what, it is what it is. I'm gonna take whatever comes from it. Like if you claim to do it and you don't, then we have a problem. But I'm pretty sure this didn't claim to do any type of oil control or anything like that. Let's see what you say. A high pigment, medium to full coverage foundation made to reveal skin's ideal complexion. Rich, long-wearing foundation transformed from a creamy mousse into a feather-light powder for a flawless, lasting finish. Available in 6 luscious shades for a wide range of skin tones and undertones. Okay, yeah, like it didn't claim to do much. It said high pigment, medium to full coverage. That I do agree with. You can get that full coverage look with this, and that's the thing about like cream mousse products. Again, they look great on the skin. It's just, you know, it's my skin type that doesn't mesh well with these type of products. But you can build this up to a full coverage or look flawless on the face. You can do sheer, you can do medium, still look flawless on the face. It said long lasting. Yeah, my oil is producing, but like, you know, like contour, blush, stuff I put on top of it, concealer are still where I put them. So, you know, it's not like the base that you have on, it's not like it's moving everything that's on your face. You pretty much just use words like flawless and luxurious and second skin over and over again. So it's like it's pretty simple description, but you know, it kind of claims to do what the description says it's going to do. Like I said, coverage was medium to full coverage. Finish of this, I would say, is pretty velvety, like silky velvet. Not so much luminous like yesterday's, but also not like a natural or soft matte finish. It's like pink velvet. That really is the finish of this, which is a beautiful finish. Skin types, probably more ideal for normal dry skin. Oily skin, you can make it work. It does. Again, when I left for the day, it looked great on the skin. Just like seeing this and thinking, you know, I feel like my other products as far as matteness goes and oil controlling, they're probably like on the medium scale. You know, like I'm not using full-blown mattifying primer and the mattest powder to set my face and a matte setting spray. Like that's full level mattifying, right? I'm somewhere in the medium level. So knowing that that's the level that was on my face today, and you have oily skin and you want to make this work, just know that you're gonna have to take it to that like full level so that you're not getting oily and breaking down throughout the day. But you can do that. It's just probably more ideal for people who have, you know, normal dry skin, stuff like that. Granted, I do have oily T-zone normal skin on the outside. Outside where I don't get oily, that's the part that's probably doing the best on my face right now. But in general, I feel like I'm just kind of like, yeah, okay, on this foundation, you know. I tried it. It's cute. It's pretty. It doesn't look bad on, you know, I'll blot the oil to see what it's looking like after that. You know, hours later, I'm not looking horrible. And when I blot, you know, I look like I've blotted, but still look good. Not so much like I just put this on, but, you know, it still looks nice. But I'm at a point where you gotta do better than nice for me to be impressed at this point. I mean, was Black Radiance impressed? Because like I said, I don't think this is something that's like still in production type thing. I think the product that's out there is out there, and then, you know, like if it were to ever sell out, they're not coming out with that again. Unless they literally like revamp this product and come out with more than 6 shades. That also throws me off, the whole 6 shades thing. Like, okay. So maybe it is something that they will revamp in the future, which could actually be a good thing, because it's not like it's a bad product. You know, if they were to revamp this, it could be something that like people were interested in. But at this point, like, especially since it's so like it's gonna be random finding a shade, if there is a shade out of the 6 for you to find, where people are gonna be like, do I really want to do that? I mean, hey, it's out there, so if you want to try it, here I am telling you, like, it's a nice product, but I just don't, especially since it's not like it's readily available or it's being pushed in your face type of thing. You know, I had to search. I was searching for foundations when I found this foundation. It's not like you're walking down Walmart and it's down the shelves, or is Black Radiance sold to Ulta? Or it's on any of their, you know, retailers where it's sold website heavily pushed you. I feel like people would have to be searching to even know that this foundation exists. And then you broaden that to, you know, international customers, and it's like, how much are people going to be searching for this foundation? But if you are, those are my thoughts on this. I think it's a nice foundation, probably better suited for someone who doesn't have my skin type. But if you do have my skin type, you can make it work. So I'm going to insert a flash test right here. And I think that is it for today's video. Yep, that is it for today's video. I hope seeing me test out this foundation has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, or if I let some of you know that this foundation exists, okay, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.